Hello everyone, myself Pooja Gupta and welcome to my channel Code with Pooja. It's day 3 of our consistency and I am here to solve all kind of questions related to data structures and algorithm. So let's continue with the questions. So today I took a lead code question. The question number is 896. It is a array based question. So question name labeled as monotonic array. So let's continue. It is an easy level of question. So let's consider the description of the question. So according to question, an array is a monotonic if it is either a monotone increasing or monotone decreasing. So first of all, we have to understand that what is a monotone increase and monotone decrease. So in a question, there is a given complete given description that what is a monotone increasing and monotone decreasing, but I have to explain it in my way. So question, so an array is a monotonic increasing and monotonic decreasing if 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So particular question is a monotonic increasing. It is monotonic increasing because it has plus 1, it has plus 1, it has plus 1. And if I just add here 3 or then 7, so it is not monotonic increasing. It is because here after 5 there is a 3, so it is minus 2. So there is a no particular increasing, but there is a leg, as we discussed in our last video, lead code which is the second video, that a valid mountain. So there is one peak, and similarly here is the same thing, that if if the array which consists of a series of a number, if the number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and after that if it is a 3, so it will not monotonic increasing or decreasing, but it is an invalid, it is not a monotonic array. So what is a monotonic array? So 1, 2, 3, 4. It is a monotonic array, and 4, 3, 2, and 1. It is a monotonic decreasing array. It is increasing array. And also a monotonic array will consist the same number twice. For example, if 1, 2, 2, 3. It is also monotonic increasing 3, 2, 2, 1. It is a monotonic decreasing array. So let's continue with our question. So now what I have explained is written here. An array nums is a monotonic increasing if for all a is less than equal to j. Yeah, of course. For a next number, the previous index is also one less, or and also nums I will be a less than equal to nums j. As I explained that the number will be a same, or number will be a same, maybe a same, but it's always greater than 1. Previous question, in an array nums is a monotonic decreasing for if I is less than equal to j and nums I is always greater than equal. So here's the two conditions, that for a increasing the condition is that the previous one will be greater than to the next, and for a decreasing is the condition that the next will be a less than the previous. So it is a basic thing. Given array returns true if it is a monotonic, or false otherwise. It is a very simple question, the basic level of question. Let's go through with the examples. For num array having 1, 2, 2, 3, so it will return 2. Yeah, it is monotonic increasing because 1, then after 2 it will be, it main monotonic array may be contain two same numbers, so it is 2, 2, and then after 3, so there is a particular monotonic increasing, it is monotonic increasing. Okay, so 6, 5, 4, 4, it is also monotonic decreasing because 6 then 5 it will decrease 1, and then same 4, 4 after 5 it was monotonic decreasing, and 1, 3, 2, no, it's not monotonic because it is neither a monotonic increasing or a decreasing, it is a random numbers. So one of the most important part of the question, that is constraints. I have also mentioned in my videos that we have to always go through the constraint, because in array we have to use loops, and loops from where to where we want to know constant, how we want to iterate our loops from how much from so much limit and how to iterate. So the length of a array which is given to us was maybe from 1 to 10 to the power 5. It means a 1 lakh numbers may be in our array. Sorry, 1 lakh. 1000. Yeah, it's 1 lakh. Yeah, it's 1 lakh. And numbers may be a negative number, so there is no option that we will substitute anything on. So it's a very easy question. Let's go through with boilerplate code. So here I took two boolean is increasing and label it true. Sorry, boolean is decreasing and label it as a true. The reason behind that I labeled both increasing and decreasing as true, because I have to find by default value of a boolean is a false, then I have to find it true or true. Because I will use the iterator, that if to iterator to for loop, maybe if in simple, I will use a for loop for the iterating through the array and just follow the pattern that previous one is greater than next or next is previous one. If any of the condition will fail, then I will be switch or toggle the values from true to false and false to true. So let's do it. For loop it I equal to 0, then I less than equal to nums dot length minus 2. The I will explain it later that why I took length minus 2. And yeah, if you saw my previous video, you will know that why I took length minus 1 and length minus 2. And I also explain right before in before things that why I'm taking length minus 2 if you carefully observe the things. So nums I will be greater than nums I plus 1. So if nums I is greater than 1, then and if nums I is less than nums I plus 1. So here's the two condition and I am using to explain this condition with a whiteboard. So here I am using this condition that you consider this: if 1, 2, 2 and 3. In this condition, nums I is a 0, 0, 1, 2 and 3. It is an indexing of array and it is an array elements. Okay, so nums it is 0. So if I is greater than 1, it means if first element is greater than the previous, so it is not an increasing, but it is a decreasing. I think you got my point, and I'm using mouse to write this, so please cooperate with me. So if you got my thing that if the first element is greater than second, so it is obvious it is a monotonic decreasing. So if it is a monotonic decreasing, then what we have to write is increasing will be false. And similarly for this, I'm again using a whiteboard. If nums I is less than I plus 1, so I'm again taking this one. No, I'm taking this one because I have to show increasing. So 1, 2, 2 and 3. So nums I is less than I plus 1. So it's indexing 0, 1, 2 and 3. So nums I, yes. So nums I is less than, I is less than 2, yeah, 1 is less than 2. So if 1 is less than 2, it means if a previous one is less than the next, so what will be? Of course, it is an increasing order. So if it is increasing order, then what will we do? We will do decrease as false and increase as true. So here is decrease as false. Now you will tell me that why you are doing if increase if decrease is because if a particular question is monotonic increasing monotonic decrease, so it will be a perfectly increase and perfectly decrease. There is a no toggling between that. Sometime it was increasing, sometime decreasing. It was increasing, that it will be continuously increasing. So if any of the if condition will satisfy this, so it will be not monotonic. That's why I'm using it. And now I just simply do one thing. I'm using n, or between is and decrease. Yes, that's good. It's enough for this. And now we will ready to run the question. Let's hope it will run well. Wow! It accepts all our 4 cases. These are given in our questions. Now we are ready to submit the question, and yeah, it accepted. So now the runtime complexity for our question, we will analyze it. So it will be a big O of n, which is a quite okay kind of thing, and we will beat with this code to 49% of people. And the memory utilization, the memory complex space complexity for this question, for this code, what we will write is big O of 1. It is a quite good. And with this code we will beat 72.56% of people. It was good. Thank you. And with this, I am here again. I am just requesting you, please subscribe my channel. And I am a beginner with all this of thing. Maybe I am not interacting with you with full of efficiency, but I am trying my best to do what I can. So please show your love and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.